Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Indulge in the serene luxury of this exceptional tri-level country estate nestled on a generous one-third acre parcel in the tranquil Eden Villa of Southfield, St. Elizabeth. Designed with impeccable craftsmanship, this residence boasts soaring ceilings, elegant formal chandeliers, and expansive sun-drenched rooms that radiate sophistication. The first level features a grand double garage with automated doors, along with a private ground floor bedroom, complete with an ensuite bathroom, offering convenience and privacy. Ascend to the second floor, where you are welcomed by a stately formal foyer. The formal living room and a spacious family and games room effortlessly flows onto a vast patio. Adjacent to the living area is an expansive dining room, a gourmet kitchen, a well appointed laundry room, and a full guest bathroom, all crafted to provide an unmatched level of comfort. The upper level is dedicated to ultimate luxury, including a lavish master suite with a spa inspired bathroom featuring a jetted tub, walk in shower, bidet, and double vanities. The suite also offers a vast walk in closet and a spacious bedroom that opens to a private wraparound patio. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 450,000 or Jamaican $70.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.